Hi, this is Usman. Welcome to Usman Physics. In this video, you will learn what is spectrum and continuous spectrum, what is absorption spectrum, and what is emission spectrum. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit subscribe button. What is a spectrum? You must have seen a rainbow. It has 7 colors which you can distinguish. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, or simply VIBGR. Let us arrange a bulb, slit, prism, and film or detector as shown. When white light passes through a prism, that is white light coming from the bulb passing through the slit, and when it falls on the prism, it breaks up into 7 colors, which we see a band of colors. This band of colors is called spectrum. The spectrum produced by splitting white light is continuous in the sense there are no gaps between the colors, and you can see the spectrum which is detected by the film. Continuous because violet merges into blue, blue into green, and every color merges into its besides color without any boundary line. As this spectrum consists of different shades of each of 7 colors without gaps, such a spectrum is called continuous spectrum. Let us see what is absorption spectrum. A continuum of radiation is passed through a sample of gas which absorbs radiation of certain wavelengths. Here is a light source, a cloud of gas, slit, prism, and a detector. So, light from light source falls on a sample of gas. From there, through the slit, it travels and falls on the prism. Here we can see the dispersion, and finally spectrum is seen on the film. The spectrum obtained is absorption spectrum. Such spectrum will have dark lines corresponding to the wavelengths that have been absorbed. Here is the spectrum, and you can see there are some dark lines. That means some of the wavelengths have been absorbed by the sample of gas. This is a gas atom, and electrons are in ground state. When they absorb certain amount of energy from the light source, they will jump to the higher energy orbits. So the electrons, when jumping to higher energy orbits, they will absorb energy. And as there is absorption of energy, so those wavelengths are seen as dark lines over the bright background. This is called absorption spectrum. Let us see what is emission spectrum. The spectrum of radiation emitted by a substance that has absorbed energy is called emission spectrum. Here is a hot sample. Energy is supplied to the sample by heating or by passing electric current. And also we have slit, prism, and a detector. So light from the sample is made to fall on the prism, where we can see the dispersion, and finally spectrum is seen on the detector. So this spectrum contains bright lines over dark background. So the spectrum will have bright lines with dark background corresponding to the wavelengths that have been released. Here is an atom of the sample. So electrons are in the higher energy state by absorbing heat or electricity. So now the electrons, when jumping back to lower energy orbits, they release energy. So that's why whatever wavelengths they release, so those wavelengths are seen as bright lines with dark background. So this is called emission spectrum. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel.